Imagine a world without the vibrant colors and thunderous booms of fireworks. It's hard to picture, right? Fireworks have been a staple of celebrations for centuries, and their production is a complex and fascinating process. From the intricate design to the precise assembly, creating fireworks requires skill, precision, and a deep understanding of pyrotechnics. Let's take a journey into the world of fireworks production and explore the step-by-step process of creating these explosive works of art. And a special thanks to @TomWile for the video suggestion. Fireworks have a rich and fascinating history that dates back to ancient China, where gunpowder was first invented around 1000 AD. The Chinese used gunpowder to create fireworks that would scare away enemies, celebrate special occasions, and honor their gods. According to legend, the first fireworks were made by throwing bamboo tubes filled with gunpowder into fire, creating loud explosions that were believed to ward off evil spirits. Fireworks were initially used for military purposes, such as scaring away enemy troops and signaling warnings. However, they soon became an integral part of Chinese celebrations, including festivals, weddings, and other special occasions. The Chinese used fireworks to create colorful displays of light and sound, which were believed to bring good luck and prosperity. As trade and cultural exchange increased between China and other countries, fireworks spread to other parts of the world. The Irans are credited with introducing gunpowder to Europe in the 13th century, where it was used for both military and celebratory purposes. Fireworks became a popular form of entertainment in Europe, particularly in Italy and England, where they were used to celebrate royal weddings, military victories, and other significant events. Over time, fireworks evolved to become more sophisticated and elaborate. The invention of new pyrotechnic techniques, such as aerial shells and sparklers, allowed for more complex and colorful displays. Fireworks also became an important part of many cultural celebrations, including the 4th of July in the United States, Bastille Day in France, and Chinese New Year. Today, fireworks are a major part of many cultural celebrations around the world. Modern pyrotechnicians use advanced technology, including computers and precision engineering, to create elaborate and synchronized displays of light and sound. Fireworks have also become a significant industry, with many countries competing to create the most impressive and innovative displays. Despite the advancements in technology, the basic principles of fireworks remain the same. The combination of gunpowder, chemicals, and precise ignition systems creates the colorful explosions and thunderous booms that we associate with fireworks. Pyrotechnicians assemble explosives into fireworks, requiring precision, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of pyrotechnics. To minimize risk, pyrotechnicians wear anti-static gloves, protective gear, and work in a controlled environment. They follow strict protocols for handling and storing explosives, and conduct regular safety checks. Pyrotechnicians require precision and extensive training in pyrotechnics, chemistry, and physics. They carefully measure and assemble components to ensure fireworks function as intended. Despite the risks, being a pyrotechnician can be quite rewarding. They create spectacular displays that bring joy and wonder to many people. With a deep understanding of pyrotechnics and attention to detail, pyrotechnicians play a critical role in creating memorable experiences. A firework is a complex device made up of separate compartments within a shell. The burning fuse explodes one compartment at a time, creating those staggered bursts in the sky. Let's take a closer look at the step-by-step process of making fireworks. Creating the main fuse. The pyrotechnician glues the main fuse into the bottom of the shell. The glue is naturally colorless, but it's dyed blue so the pyrotechnician can tell exactly where they're applying it. This ensures that the fuse is properly secured and will ignite the firework correctly. Assembling the second compartment. The pyrotechnician spoons a powdered explosive into the center of the second compartment and caps it. Next, they add a brown cardboard shock absorber to protect the compartment from the initial explosion. A corrugated cardboard disc and a plastic spacer are added to create a slight delay between the first explosion and the second. This delay allows the firework to burst into multiple explosions, creating a more dramatic effect. Preparing the first compartment. The pyrotechnician glues a sleeve onto a case and fills it with hundreds of stars. Stars are carefully measured explosives mixed with coloring agents such as magnesium for white, copper salts for blue, charcoal for orange, other chemicals for different colors, adding comets and gunpowder. The pyrotechnician adds comets, another type of exploding decoration, to the compartment. Comets are designed to trail sparks and colors as they explode, adding to the overall effect of the firework. The pyrotechnician then tops it off with gunpowder, which provides the explosive force needed to propel the firework into the sky. Assembling the firework. The pyrotechnician glues the two compartments together, filling the remaining space with the same combination of ingredients. Once the shell is full, they glue on the cover, and the tighter the better. The pressure built up inside the shell will contribute to the size and spectacle of the explosion. The firework is then wrapped. The lift charge. A gunpowder bag with a long fast-action fuse goes at the base of the shell. This is what will send the firework into the sky. Once the lift charge ignites, heat and gas build up inside the launch tube until they explode, propelling the firework close to 1,000 feet skyward. The result is a breathtaking display of colorful explosions and thunderous booms. The final product. The finished firework is a complex device that requires precision and attention to detail. When ignited, the firework will explode in a series of bursts, creating a stunning display of color and light. The pyrotechnician's careful assembly and attention to detail ensure that the firework will function as intended, providing a safe and enjoyable experience for millions of awed spectators. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Your input matters. Share your ideas for our next video in the comments, and we'll recognize your contribution. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating stories behind everyday things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more, click the next video right here.